Hey everyone, welcome back to Cozy Car Covers. Today we've got something special for you. An in-depth review of the giant PANDA Leather Adventure TRD Off-Road seat covers. If you're looking for stylish, durable, and comfortable seat covers, stick around because this might be the one for you. So why do we need seat covers in the first place? They protect your seats from wear and tear and spills and give your car interior a new look. The giant PANDA Leather Adventure seat covers are designed to do all that and more. Let's dive into their key features and see what sets them apart. First, let's talk about the design. These seat covers are crafted from high-quality faux leather, which looks premium and incredibly soft. The stitching is immaculate, giving it a sophisticated look that can enhance any car interior. The covers are available in various colors, so you can pick the one that best matches your style. Now, onto the nitty-gritty. How do these seat covers perform? The faux leather material is luxurious and practical. It's waterproof and easy to clean, making it perfect for those with kids or pets. Plus, the padding provides extra comfort, making long drives a breeze. The giant PANDA seat covers have a user-friendly installation guide. You don't need special tools. Slip them over your seats, adjust them, and secure them. It's a 20-minute job, tops. Thanks to their adjustable straps and elastic bands, these covers are designed to fit most vehicles. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or truck, they should fit snugly. The covers are airbag compatible, meaning they won't interfere with the deployment of your side airbags in case of an accident. Safety first, folks. Compared to other seat covers in the same price range, the giant PANDA covers stand out for their style, comfort, and durability. Many cheaper options either need a more premium look or durability. You might find actual leather covers on the higher end, but they come at a significantly higher price point and require more maintenance. The giant PANDA leather adventure seat covers come with numerous advantages. The luxurious faux leather material looks premium and easy to clean and maintain, making it ideal for families with kids or pet owners. The padding provides excellent comfort, especially on long drives, and the easy installation process means you can set them up in about 20 minutes without any special tools. These covers are designed to fit most vehicles thanks to their adjustable straps and elastic bands, and their airbag compatibility ensures they won't interfere with your car's safety features. However, there are a few drawbacks. Faux leather might appeal to something other than leather purists who prefer the feel and scent of genuine leather. Additionally, while the color options are stylish, they are somewhat limited compared to other brands. Despite these minor cons, the overall value and quality of these seat covers make them a fantastic choice for most drivers. So why should you choose the giant PANDA leather adventure seat covers over others? It's simple. They offer the best balance of style, comfort, and functionality at a reasonable price. They're perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their car interior without breaking the bank. To wrap it up, the giant PANDA Leather Adventure TRD Off-Road seat covers are a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to protect their car seats while adding a touch of luxury. Sure, they might not be natural leather, but they look great, feel comfortable, and are easy to maintain. These seat covers are worth considering if you value style, comfort, and practicality. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to upgrade your car, click the Amazon link below to learn more and make a purchase. Please subscribe to our channel for more car seat cover reviews. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let me know what car seat covers you use and love. Until next time, keep it cozy, gearheads.